In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your time overtime. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your location selected. You cannot be in the enterprise to access this. Then click on Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Analyze. From the drop-down menu, choose Overtime. You should arrive at a chart with your current week's overtime estimate. If you see any empty boxes, that could be because that employee is not scheduled on that day, or it could be because you have not finished filling out that employee's schedule and time information in their employee profile. Right now I can see the name of the employee, their total hours for the week, and how many hours they are working each day of that week. If any of these employees were scheduled to work overtime, their row would be highlighted in yellow. That's how you can view your time overtime estimate. Check out the next video to learn how to view your employees' attendance.